Hi, I'm Nicole and I've earned over $2,500 in cash back using Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates. I want to show you how you can get cash back while shopping in store, physically in a store. So like you go to Macy's to do your little holiday shopping, you can be earning some cash back. I'll show you exactly how it works. In case you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here, and don't forget to give this video a like if you find it useful. That really helps me out a lot. And subscribe and become part of my community. So real quickly, before we jump into how to get cash back shopping in store, if you aren't familiar with Rakuten, I have a whole nother video that explains how it works to get cash back while shopping online. It works for everything from like hardware stores to travel to makeup, clothing. There's over 2,500 retailers who are tied in with Rakuten, and the shopping experience is exactly the same as if you were just shopping online normally. There's no difference in price or anything to you. You just get some money in your pocket. It is paid to you quarterly. Just a quick rundown. I know some of you already know this. It comes, and they call it your big fat check. It comes every quarter, and you can choose to get it via PayPal or a physical check in the mail. And this quarter, the check that I'm getting for November, well, I opted not to get a check or PayPal. They had a list of different retailers. If I took a gift card, I could get up to 12% more. So I took the one from Macy's because I do a lot of holiday shopping there, so that will come in very handy. I do have an affiliate link down below. Well, really anyone who uses Rakuten, if you sign up for it, you'll get an affiliate link, and you can give it to people too. And what it is it'll give you a $10 credit extra money in your big fat check. So, I mean, you can use my code, or if you know someone else who uses Rakuten, use their code, because then, you know, they get credit, I get credit if you use mine, but it's just use somebody's code because you'll get an extra $10 cash back. So let's jump onto my computer and I'll show you exactly how you do it.
Here we are on the main Rakuten website, and you can see a bunch of online retailers and different cash back that they're giving right now. We are going to go to the in-store cashback area though. Click right here. You can see the upper right hand corner, the $2,905.91 that I have earned in cash back so far in about the 4.5 years that I have been using Rakuten. Now for in-store, there are less retailers. There are, like I said, over 2,500 that do online, and there are less that do in-store. But all you have to do is enter your credit cards in. So for me, it would be just add a new card because I already added some in. So you just add your Visa, MasterCard, or American Express cards in here. Then once you've added those, you would just link to the offers that interest you. So you can see I've linked to most of these, but let's just find one I haven't linked to yet, and we will go ahead and do that. So yeah, let's do Talbots. So I click on that, and boom, the offer has been linked to my cards. So now if I shopped in store at Talbots or Dyson or Big Five or any of these different retailers that I've linked to, Crate & Barrel, I will get the cash back in my next big fat check.
Wasn't that so easy? I hope you like getting cash back in your pocket, because you're well on your way now with this way of shopping in store, because oh my gosh, I think about all the years that I could have been doing this and hadn't. Oh, just kind of kills me. I hope this was helpful for you. Go ahead and put any questions down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and it's not goodbye, it's just so long till next time.